看起来也好暖和。 don't make it movie. You ever miss being single?
Wait, did I bring anything? picking the Super Bowl here.
When is the Super Bowl?
It is 2 Sundays from now on the 13th. Tonight is the Halo trailer. The Halo TV show. Because today is the second to last, so I think it's this game. There's one more game next Sunday, and then the Sunday after. But this game is they show the Halo trailer. And I was like, I'm kind of not caring about this. Oh, okay, Andrew saw it. He said he liked it. He said it was funny. They made that cheap fucking Chris Tucker, like, what is funny? It looked funny. They made that cheap for cool and funny. Oh, yeah, no, you know what's funny? I was going to say that. All right.